Sabadi, hello, good morning to all of my lovely, beauty, sexy or handsome student around the world who is watching me right now on YouTube channel, and very welcome all of you again to join my classroom today. And this is the third video or the third topic that we will discuss today, and the topic today we will talking about the color which is behind me on the whiteboard right there. So this is the color in Lao. I have shoot some of the most used or the common color that we use in the normal life. Maybe what I have here is like 9 or 10 color, and also alright, so the color in Lao, we say "si." One more time, "si." So this is the Lao. The red color is mean it will be the Lao language, and the blue color will be in English language. So here, color in Lao we say "si." "Si." One more time, "si." Okay. So the first one or the number one that I have here is "si hiao." "Si hiao" is mean green or green color, but here, look at here. Actually, the word "si" mean color, but the word "kiao" here, K-H-I-E-W, kiao, is mean green. But when you put together like green color, it will be "si hiao." "Si hiao." But only green we say "kiao." And also, if you look at here, if you look at my pen here, what I have here is like they have a green. These two is a green color, but what do we say in the different in Lao is like we put the word soft and strong. Like for this one we will say "si kiao ke," right here. And this one we say "si kiao on." On mean like soft, not strong. So this mean like this color or the green color, this one is not a strong color. It's not very green like that, but it's a soft color. Like let's say "si kiao on." So this one is the "si kiao ke." So here, look, this is how different. So this one is "si kiao on," and this one is "si kiao ke." Okay. So we have here. So for the soft one we say "si kiao on," and the strong one it will be "si kiao ke." But for the first one that I write here, or the number one, I just say "si kiao." I just like it's a green. I didn't mention to a strong color like that. I didn't mention to a soft color like that, but I just say like green. Oh, sorry. Like a normal green, something like that. So it will be green color. Then we will say "si kiao." One more time, "si kiao." Okay. And the next one, number 2 is "si dang." Anh em "si dang." "Si dang" mean red color. One more time, "si dang." Which one is "si dang" on my hand? Which pen is "si dang"? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one? Okay, that's right. So Animan. So this one is "si dang." It is less color. "Si dang." Okay. So yellow. Okay. Yellow is "si leung." Animan "si leung." This one is yellow. Yellow. Okay. "Si leung." One more time. "Si leung." Okay. And the next one is purple. Animan "si muang." "Si muang." Okay, purple. "Si muang." "Si muang." Okay. "Si fa" is blue color. It's blue color. And also here, I got a different color here on my hand. So please tell me what is different. So, Animan "si muang." Okay, purple. Animan "si fa." But if you have two like this, then then we will say สีฟ้าแก่ so the short one it will be สีฟ้า on okay one more time สีม่วงสีม่วง okay สีฟ้าสีฟ้า so next one is black back so here is back or even my shirt my hair back or even my face I have a back skin so สีดำ is back สีดำ one more time สีดำสีดำ next one is pink color pink is สีบัวสีบัวอันนี้ man สีบัว okay and next white I don't have a white pen here but have the tissue or napkin so อันนี้ man สีขาวสีขาว is white no not white white if like me but white สีขาวสีขาว okay gray we say สีขี้เทาสีขี้เทา I don't have a gray here but let's say this one so อันนี้ man สีขี้เทา let's say gray or gray color because I don't have the like gray pen I'm sorry yeah. So here voila we have like different three color now so one more time please pick keep practice the pronunciation so สี main color one more time สีสีเขียวสีเขียวสีเขียวอ่อนสีเขียวอ่อน okay สีแดงสีแดงสีแดงอ่อนสีแดงแก่ okay สีแดงแก่แก่ means strongสีเหลืองสีเหลืองสีม่วงสีม่วงสีฟ้าสีฟ้าสีฟ้าอ่อนสีฟ้าแก่ okay สีดำสีดำสีบัวสีบัวอันนี้แมนสีบัวสีขาวสีขาวสีขี้เทาสีขี้เทา oh yeah maybe this one the microphone is สีขี้เทาอันนี้แมนสีขี้เทา so this one is gray color so voila this is about the color and actually I think we just have a few color actually that we use very often in every day but if I didn't have any color on my whiteboard here please comment because I think this is the mode that we use for for work or material or thing that we see. Okay, so let's practice this. So I have 1,000, 100 or million of the pen here on my back. So on my plastic bag. So let's practice this one. อันนี้แมนเสียงอันนี้แมนเสียง so this is the question what is this color อันนี้ this one man is สีหยัง what color or color what so อันนี้แมนสีหยัง I ask you so then you will say อันนั้น that's one อันนั้น man that one is สีฟ้า so สีฟ้า okay up one here อันนี้แมนเสียง ติ๊กตอกติ๊กตอกติ๊กตอกสีแดง that's right อันนี้แมนเสียงสีเขียวอ่อนฮะ good อันนี้แมนสีหยังสีเขียวแก่the strong one the strong color green strong or strong green let's say I don't know the word I'm so sorry อันนี้แมนสีหยังสีฟ้าโอเคอันนี้แมนsorry อันนี้แมนสีหยังสีม่วงโอเคสีฟ้าโอเค so here see สีแดงสีดำสีเหลืองสีดำโอเคสีฟ้าสีดำโอเคสีฟ้าสีฟ้าและสีขาว bright and blue โอเคอันนี้แมนสีม่วงthis one is ม่วง what else I have here is อันนี้แมนสี gold actually this is not yellow but gold maybe a gold color we say สีทองTHONG สีทอง okay I'm sorry I don't have in the whiteboard but that is very small and but that's okay สีฟ้าโอเคอันนี้แมนสีติ๊กต๊อก what is the color of here yeah on the briquette สีม่วงไม่ใช่ sorry สีบัวpink color what I have else here อันนี้แมนสีขาวไม่สีเขียว sorry สีเขียว a green สีขาว white no not white I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that not correct white color สีทอง or สีเหลือง actually ทอง I think gold สีทอง and this is สีเขียว see voila I think this is the most common word or common color that we use actually for the other like actually we have like thousand or million of the color in the computer but here this is what we use very common in everyday life you know. อันนี้แมนสีดำอันนี้แมนสีฟ้า okay keep practice and we will review for one more time and then we will finish this video สีเขียวอ่อน soft green what about strong green สีเขียวแก่ is KEA แก่สีเขียวแก่สีเขียวอ่อน soft green strong green is สีเขียวแก่สีเขียวอ่อนสีเขียวแก่ or maybe สีเขียว for general yeah not soft or not strong color สีเขียว okay so all of this is สีเขียว สีแดงสีแดง one more time สีแดงอันนี้แมนสีแดงสีเหลือง yellow สีเหลืองอันนี้แมนสีเหลือง this one is yellow สีม่วงอันนี้แมนสีม่วงสีฟ้าสีดำอันนี้แมนสีดำสี สีบัว okay อันนี้แมนสีบัว inside here the liquid grad cleaner yeah and สีขาว okay สีขี้เทา อันนี้แมนสีขี้เทา gray and also if you have any idea or what topic that you really want to learn, please comment here below, and then I will take time to practice and take time to prepare for you to help you figure out with this problem. So alright, see you next time and hope you enjoy it. Please take care. Bye bye.